Hello everybody, sorry for the delay. Almost didn't make it. Alright. What's happening? What is happening? Hello, Escape the Matrix. I'm sorry for being late. Almost didn't make it. Yeah, I'm a little bit hungry. I just arrived home and I didn't have lunch. I need to eat something. Alright. I think the draw on liquidity should be up there. Tesla clue? What? What does that mean? Oh wow, we're going higher. All right. And we just got higher. Nice. Still didn't push through this. There is a order block here on the top. I think it wants to push through. Maybe not. I think it wants to. Breaking this order block is a good area anyways. 372 and 463. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No. This one. Alright, that is good. Don't worry, I'm here. I'm here. Alright, now I had the food. I'm here now. I finished up. So let's see. I mean, I do think, what's the high here? 72.75. Hey Green, what's up? What is going on? Is this gonna try to go higher? I wonder. It looked like to me that it wants to go higher. I'm not sure what's happening now. Maybe not. There is liquidity on the downside as well. Let's see. This order block is still holding. That's for sure. Okay. Bit of a move down. Next liquidity level on the downside is 121.75. Low 121.75. That was at 9. 120. Maybe 20. I would go with the 21. Let's see what it wants to do. Krister, hello. I don't know. I don't know. Look at that. Order block has been broken. Order blocks never fail, you know. Order blocks just never fail. What else do we have here? Still going higher. Oh wow, look at that. High of this is 25, 425. 426. Wants to break it. Oh, there you go. And 463. We talked about 463 earlier. That it might want to go there. And there she goes. Already there. Oh, 90% on Apex. Jesus. 90%? Let me check it. Is it true? Is it true? No. It's not true. I thought that you're saying it as like it's really happening. Oh, that worked. All right. I'm going to try it out myself. Is he streaming? I think he does. I have to check if there's really a 90% because there's nothing on the website for now. Yeah, only 50%. Well, it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, now that we broke to those highs, what's gonna be next? What's gonna be next? Kind of like a reversal here. Oh no, Kirk, I didn't. I got a few yesterday. I mean, I did some resets. I wish I knew there's gonna be something. Requested a payout yesterday and blew 4 of my funded accounts. What? If they approved, it's okay. Get 20 now. I have to check. How's my credit card doing or debit card? Don't worry. I can. I think I will. Oh wow, going down. This is actually an order block here as well. I think it could be broken at 308. So what is happening? I'm looking at some trades here. If you got approved, then you should be okay. Okay, so then it's all right. Once you got approved, you can blow the account. Then it's all right. Then it's okay. All right, what's going on? Are we going lower? Next level of liquidity is still 121.75. No, not that. Sorry. There's 121.75. Yeah, there is. $121.75. No structure shift here so far. The hourly chart reached up into that little gap there, and the next level on the 1 hour is at 761 as buy side liquidity. And we have an order block somewhere up there, yeah. Not a perfect one, but there is one. So 761. Can it be possible? Can we go up there? I guess we can. The 5-minute didn't show. Oh, hold on. We might have a fair value gap here. 9. What's the 9:30 open? Okay, never mind. We have a 5-minute gap at 232. right down there. Still going higher. Try to look for maybe a long position. Let's see. The problem is, like, one candle is like 50 points, man. It's really tough. It's really, really, really tough. $5.54 could be the high. Oh, maybe. Maybe. We have order blocks, we have everything. Low of this candle 27, open. Okay, never mind. Just have to wait. If it breaks above the 553, then I guess nothing's in the way to try to go for the 700s up there. The high of this candle was 704. And previous day high 357. Yesterday it missed the high with I think 3 points, the 360. So it was very close. I have a feeling that it might want to break up there. You never know. You never know. I tried to reach up to the 505s up there. Anyway. MB Trader, good morning. What is going on? Okay, just hovering around here. Stop Loss Hunter is back. Welcome. How's everybody doing? Yeah, best thing to do is to sit on our hands. Oh, look at that. Up to the 560s. Man, what a push. There you go. Jeez, these market conditions are insane. How far are we going? What is going on here? Good thing I have no positions on. I had no. Oh my god, it's going. What do you think of all those traders that gonna ask for payout? Depends on which prop firm. uh, Debating what you do. Which prop firm is that? Apex. I know JadeCap is looking to break the bank on Apex. I know that he wants to do a record payout. Whoa, what a drop. 200 points down. All the prop firms with this price action. Yeah, 100 points moves here and there. I don't know. I don't think that, you know, everybody's making all that much. I mean, I'm not sure, but you gotta be really careful. For example, I'm just gonna sit on my hand here. Whoa, what a drop here. Look at this, man. I like to see 234. So I don't know. I mean, it seems like easy, but it's not easy. Look at this, man. Like, even with one micro. I might try it, though. Going down to the 250s, maybe? Maybe. Kind of like it. Took a short position. But it's not looking good. Here. Yeah, it is definitely not looking that good. Only on eval. Seems like it wants to go higher. Believe in it, yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, okay. Alright. It repriced that gap. But if it goes higher, I don't want to hold it. I was still looking for that 250 down there. Kind of like it. Kind of like the 305 too. Oh no. It doesn't want it. Uh-oh. Yeah, unfortunately, it's not doing what it's supposed to do. At least not yet. All right. It may be looking good. Who knows? Leg day. Yeah, leg day. Disciplined trader, aka Alicia, welcome. Yes, I got it. Yeah, I got the Take Profit Trader Pro. Yeah. Yes. I have it activated. Yeah. I have the new Take Profit Trader Pro account. Be positive. 2022 model. Exactly. I would say the draw on liquidity should be down there at the 250s. That's not a nice work. It's not a nice work yet. Still a lot to go. Come on, baby. Go down. Go down for daddy. Oh, that sounds weird. But anyway. Let's go, baby. Go. Low is 303.75 there. There's a minor sell side. Okay. I don't know what's the plan here, but it's definitely weird. Repricing all these areas here. Let's see what's it gonna do. Still has a lot to go. Kind of weird. What's the time right now? It's past 10. Guess we can say we tried. But I'm not sure about liquidity here. Could be popping and squeezing everybody. So Let's wait and see. Oh, it does the dirty move now. Okay. All right. Well, I can't say that I haven't tried. I did. I tried. Still needs some room, I guess. Well, if it gets too much higher... Who knows? Oh, yeah, I know they have a sale there. I don't know, man. It's kind of weird. Doesn't seem like it wants to drop. It wants more squeeze. Yeah. Yeah, it wants more. It doesn't want to go. No, it was just a sandwich. We liquidate the liquidation of the liquidity. Yeah. This is absolutely mental, I know. Not the markets that you want to trade in, that's for sure. But what can you do, right? Crazy, crazy markets. Maybe it will go down, who knows? I mean, that would be awesome. That's why we trade with micros. If it goes, it goes. Still going. This is intense. It doesn't really want to wait. Oof. Ooh, all right. This is insane. Never mind. That's why we're not trading this volatility. Merry Christmas. Yeah. It's just, best to sit on your hand, man. This is just absolutely mental. Never seen anything like this. I mean, even when we had like those which was that? I don't know, but last year we had something like this. I just don't know which time was it. But that was also mental. This is insane volatility, and there's just nothing you can do about it. Go. 100 points here and there, untradeable. Absolutely untradeable. 15-minute looks crazy. Well, I mean, can still go down, I guess. We have that 761 up there. And this one is definitely failing. This level. Oh yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, Marcus, those things are meaningless right now. Those things are absolutely meaningless. What is happening here? Best not to do anything. I'm just gonna wait. I'm trying to figure this out, but no. Big no. What's up, Greg? Hey. Time distortion. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. Just going sideways. The thing is that even a small candle like this, 26, I mean, such huge movements here. Price is congested. That's the problem. Still no direction. It looks like we have some trend line liquidity higher. We haven't broke it. 947. Yeah, that's true. There should be a breakdown there, and it didn't go for it. Still don't know how high this one wants to push. I guess it can go all the way, right? We're going. Yeah. Yeah, gotta be careful. Man, what a moves. What I mean, what kind of moves are this? I mean, going higher. What was the high here? 597. Are we going for the 600s? Um, maybe. On the 5 minute, there is no entry. Mm, maybe I would say there's an order block here, but 600, not sure. Buy side liquidity 761. What is there? There's a 1 hour fair value gap up there. Not trusting this move. 15 second. How can you trade on the 15 and the 30-second chart, man? That could be extremely difficult. I mean, I think. All right, picked up liquidity on the 1 minute. Let's see if it wants to go down furthermore. There could be a possible short, maybe, somewhere along the way here. Yeah, I do feel like that this downside can still be in play. And I kind of like this level down at what's the low here? 232.25. So I'm gonna put a marker there. As soon as I see this playing out, I might gonna jump into a short, but it depends. Now this one failed partially. Actually, technically it didn't fail if we think about it. Technically, this one didn't fail, just a little bit, but really not that much. Still valid. The hell is going on here? I have to check something real quick. Yeah, the macro is coming in. So better get ready. $303.75 is still there. Okay, seems like it's still trying to edge higher. Didn't go for the 600, but I took another short with one micro. So we'll see. Uh-oh. Going up. What's it gonna do? I think it wants to go higher, right? Oh man. Okay, picking up this gap here. Not that it matters too much. Yeah. Yeah, I guess we have to wait. But I still like this level down there. I don't know why. I still kind of like that level. Let's go. Let's go. Fake, fake, fake outs. Yeah, it's all of fake on both sides. Yeah. Well, my entry is definitely not good as well, but I just thought like if it failed to go up there, then I do like this order block level. One thing I could do is, you know, lower my if we trade below 303, or sorry, 331, I could lower my stop here, and if we break below 304, then maybe I can put it to break even. That's a maybe. It's a big maybe. Because I don't want to see it going back up there. So once we hit this 333 area, I'm moving my stop a little bit lower, reducing my risk. All right, so we did hit that. Moving my stop here. Because if it trades above the 93 up there, then it's definitely over anyways. So it makes no sense to hold it at 100. Yeah, I mean, it depends on your analysis, right? So obviously that's also a good level, Jonathan. So nothing wrong with that. Okay, I think I should be lowering my stop. Let's see if it gets to 50. All right, I don't care. I'm out of here. Thank you. I'm out of here. I mean, from the trade. From the trade. So, by the way, it might have... Well, my final TP was down there. But I was copy trading this on multiple Bulenox accounts. So I made this one 430, this one 350. Oh yeah, I know why. Okay, and this 350 because this I was scalping on this one a little bit earlier. Anyway, it's good. It's good. I don't mind. It's fine. Oh my god. This was the loudest alert I ever had. How can I lower the sound on this? Don't worry about the Apex. I have my funded accounts. I have the funded accounts. I'm okay. I have to focus on the current funded accounts. And actually today I managed to, yesterday I told you guys I went down to the daily loss limit on the brand new MyFundedFutures account. I managed to recover $755 on this funded account, so I'm actually okay with it, pretty much. Just focusing on these ones. Jesus, why is this so loud? Oof. Ooh, we're going down. Even lower. Who wants to scalp this to 233? I wonder if it wants to pick up some liquidity from the upside, because then it could give some entry for a nice little drop here. Kind of curious. Makes me wonder. There you go. We have the gap. I don't want to jinx it, but I mean, I told you guys that we're going down to that freaking gap. This was so obvious, and this area here, the order block, and with the gap, this was pretty much a nice call on liquidity. I mean, draw on liquidity. So yeah, let's watch for 11 a.m. now. Is this also? Yeah, yeah, exactly, Naomi. This was basically, I mean, first of all, yes, it was an ICT 2022 setup, but not exactly like my entry first was from here, right? So I tried to go super aggressive. If there's two ways to do this. If you want to go super aggressive, you enter on the first available fair value gap, like here. That's the super aggressive approach, which I failed on that one. So that took me out somewhere up there. I don't know. Okay. So that was a failure. But if you want to play it safe, then you can take the other fair value gap, especially when the market is like this volatile. You can take the other one maybe and take your stop a little bit higher. You know, if your drawn liquidity is already predetermined, quote unquote predetermined, and you want to see this order block with the fair value gap broken, then I would say look at the risk reward ratio, like here. Still would have been a sweaty one, but this could have been also a 2022 setup. Now what I did in this case is it went higher. I was watching these candles to my left on Quant Tower. I was watching the rejections. I was watching how these candles were rejected and then went lower, and what was I? What I wanted to say anyway. So here I could have entered once more, but I wasn't sure anyway. I decided to give a second chance after seeing this rejection. So it wasn't the perfect entry, but the idea behind it was the 2022 setup. The problem, and this is why it's not a perfect entry, is that there was no major sweep. The only major sweep here, or should we say sweep? I mean, I don't know if it's the right term here, is that we took this gap here, that 5-minute gap. We took out an order block, took liquidity here, got rejected, and then boom. So I wouldn't say it was a perfect 2022 setup at all, but the idea behind it was something like that. Yeah. But whenever I see a beautiful order block like this, and this was the key of the whole thing, not even the entry model. The main key of this level for me was the order block. On the 5-minute, it pushed down here. I'm sorry, took out not the 5-minute, this is the 1-minute, but this one pushed down, took some liquidity here, and then boom, structure shift, beautiful order block, and left a 5-minute gap here. Now this 5-minute gap technically justified my target. We have the order block with the 5-minute gap in a market like this. As soon as I see it dropping, like this is an area of liquidity. This was an ugly one. I have to say this was an ugly one, and I had to give it a second chance, but this was a real ugly one. I would say the better entry would have been here in this area. And also, this is one of the reasons I entered. So I also was measuring the stop loss and the distance to that area. And as I saw that price was still hovering here in that fair value gap, I was like, F it, because this one already got rejected. So I could have been sitting through the whole trade if I would have entered here. Now I saw this rejected. I said, all right, let's go down. So basically, yes, it's a 2022 model, but a little bit ugly one. Sorry, I'm speaking too much, but I'm still excited that this trade worked out. So yeah, and you're welcome, Naomi. I'm sometimes I talk too much gibberish here, but I think you got my point. The reason for my second chance is that this was the better entry, the upper fair value gap. And as soon as I saw price coming back down, I was like, okay, if I would have been sitting in this trade from that point, sitting through all this drawdown, I would be still in the trade. So I can still take the train. I can still jump on this train to go lower. So I jumped on it, and that's it. And that's it. So we have the 11 a.m. hour. Going back up there. Whoa, what a reversal here. I have to log into Rhythmic and get some data here. I'm curious about my drawdown on Apex. I'm gonna check if I have made something stupid, which sometimes I do, obviously. Whoa, what a move here to the upside. What is happening? Okay. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to analyze a trade that I did. I'm just not sure how to go through it. I'm gonna look into it. Anyway, 464 to 474 was the fair value gap that took internal liquidity. 464 to 474. Yeah, let me get this off here. So yeah, I would say on the micro it was 62.50 until 83.25. I mean, this was the main fair value gap that I'm thinking of. Like this one. Not there. 1030. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. I see what you mean. Yeah, basically it did. Yes, baby. This was. And it closed here. It was a green light here to go short. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Exactly correct. I'm reading you. No. No, never mind. Make it internal low. Oh. Then on the retrace, that is your entry. Ah. Uh-huh. Okay. 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 So basically wait for the move here and then enter is what you're saying. Like from somewhere around here. Oh, I get it. I get it. All right. All right. Bingo. Okay. Wait a down close candle to take out the low. Down close completely trading below it. And then when we get back with the limit order, boom, there's your entry. This is the surgical entry, you know. Yeah, exactly. And you know, with that risk to reward ratio, even if you just target the body of the candles down there, I mean, look at that. That's even a bigger risk to reward ratio, 2.44. That's a nice one. That's a good analysis. I like it. I like it. Oh, yeah. Taking out everything. Boom, 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 boom. Everybody got squeezed all the way down. I think this was the main move of the whole AM session. Anyway, it was cool. Hold on. Hold on. I need a cigarette, by the way. I'm not smoking, Kirktown, but I'm saying right now, I don't care. I would really have a cigarette now. I'm not smoking, but I would have a nice cigarette. Really, I do. I do. And just a sip of a like Johnny Walker or something with a cigarette, that's what I would need. Oh, all right. Hold on. Quick phone call. Again, I'm important, you know. Everybody, it's an emergency. I have to go. I have to go. It's family, but it's a good thing. I mean, in a good way now. I have to pick up someone. So, I'm gonna leave you guys. Kirk, please. Kirk, I'm sorry to leave you. It was a good one. This trade, I enjoyed it. And this was a good analysis. Thank you so much, everybody. I really have to go. Good work today. Congratulations. Yeah. Maybe I'm going to pick up that cigar somewhere. Anyway, thank you. Cheers, everybody. God bless you all. If you would like to support, please don't forget to use my code, TomSabo, everywhere. You know, the best cheat code. Don't forget it. Thank you so much. God bless everybody. And see you guys and ladies and gents tomorrow in London, all right? Peace out. God bless. Cheers.